When I close the zip, notice that it doesn't get the tracks together. Flip the puller on the side and open that slightly. You can use a screwdriver, insert it in here, and just twist. So all I'm doing is I'm twisting to open the side a little bit. I'm inserting my screwdriver in the back there and I'm just wedging it just to open the back a little bit. You can also twist it. Right, so it has opened a little bit. I'm going to try feed the teeth in here. I'll open it a bit more. Insert my screwdriver in here and I'm just going to open this a little bit by twisting. So I've opened it a little bit. Right, now I'm going to try feeding these teeth and I'm going to push it next to it and at the same time move the slider. And there, notice how it is now seated. Look. Now when I gently pull on the puller, notice that it is binding, although it is not working correctly. All I need to do is close what I've opened. I'm taking a pair of long nose pliers and I'm just going to pinch the back. And then I'm just going to pinch a little bit here in the front. Now on the side that I've just repaired, notice there's still a gap there, so I need to pinch it a bit more. So I take my pliers and I just squeeze it a little bit. Not too much. I pull it all the way back. And it is now repaired. If you don't want to scratch the puller, you can just wrap it in thread and then when you pinch it, you won't damage the body. So I'm just putting that round and now I'm pinching the side together and I can see it is now tight. If you make it too tight, then the puller is too difficult to move. You then need to just put your screwdriver in here and loosen it a little bit. Thanks for watching and cheers.